Sanant, we have finished the work today, carpenter job. This is the cupboard we have made in TCS, whose length this way wide is about near about 60 inch. There are three, this is double pala, 20 and 20, 40. And this is a one pala, 20. So 20 and 40, 60. 60 bit wide. And length is 76 inch from the ground. From the bottom to up is 76. Okay, so this is the shelf we have paid. This one shelf we have put on the top, on the what's called after 12 inch. There is a 12 inch ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ shelf ਪਾਈ ਹੈ ਉੱਪਰ top ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ, ਉਹਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ hanger ਲਾਇਆ. Then it has gone up to the drawers. Here is a drawer, two drawer, one and two. दो drawer ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੱਟਾ ਪਾਇਆ double, ਔਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ drawer ਹੋ ਗਏ. ਇਹ drawer ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫੱਟਾ ਹੈ and hanger is a quite comfortable, and there is still space. We can show you how we will put the cloth over there and how much space is left. And this you can see when we put the hanger over here. This is my shirt. So this is just 8 inch, 9 inch left. So we have not put shelf here for hangers. The clothes hanger will go. It's quite comfortable. Very, and there is nothing, no restriction. So this complete hanger. On top is a double shelf, and below hanger, and there are two drawers only. So this is the big almara. This is the double shelf. This is a single palla. This we have put hanger at the top. Here the hanger was under one shelf. One shelf is there first, then hanger. Here there is no there is a hanger first, and there are 1, 2, and 3, and here are the same two drawers. So above the two drawers there are 3 shelves. So what we will do, we have put the hanger over here. When there is a long coat, कोई लंबा कपड़ा है बहुत ज़्यादा, so this both will be taken out. This drawers will be taken from here with the hand, and we will put it back on the lower shelf. Khana, okay here. Now to make it again, this is the same system. We have taken the both shelf here, and we have no see. So we have made only one shelf. So here you can put your long coat without any shelf, and your both shelves are gone on this thing. So below this there are two drawers only. So this is the procedure what you have told. कि long coat के लिए आपको लॉन्ग कोट के लिए ये है, और शॉर्ट कपड़ों के लिए ये है. दिस द हैंगर्स इन बोथ. Now I will tell you about this. is quite comfortable. छोटे नहीं बनाए, छोटे बनाने लगा था मैं इधर, but then कोई फायदा नहीं है. Here we can use it here. There's a 8 inch space below the shirt, so we can use this space as it is. There's no problem. There's no space shelf required here. Now next, I want to tell you that what is the this is a polish. This is a polish, and we have to bring a carpenter. He has to waste one day here for polishing the almara. Now see the side of the. Please, Ankit, come this side. This the Ankit has gone to the gallery side, and this is the side, and here we have put the Sanmaika on the board. Side board which you purchase, side board के ऊपर ये Sanmaika लगा है. Same thing is now Ankit is gone to the TV side. Now see the TV side. You can go that side. Same system, same pattern, same board and sun mica. So here you see, you can see the both your cabins can open this thing. We can open this thing. Both cabins can be open this thing, and it can be, there's no restriction in the movement. So we can open, we can go inside. We can go inside and see. We can open this, do this thing, and we can come comfortably, we can come out. There's no problem. Now, there are two, we can also put one shelf here, but that is, I have not accepted it. A carpenter was telling me that we can put one shelf here, make a standard something, we can keep something out, but that is cheap thing, so I have not accepted. And more, if we fix it here somewhere, then it will be a restriction going in this opening during these cabins. So I have not accepted this. So this cannot be brought more left side. Reason, it will bring more, it will problem to open this, what's called this shelf. So this is the maximum we can bring the almara up to this level, because here you can see my fingers. In fact, they are touching it. So this is how we have to use it. Yes, the major benefit is this, that we can push. If we are touching this problem, we face problem of this touching this thing, we can push the cupboard little left side to the gallery side, 1 inch, 2 inch. There is no problem. It's not fixed. We can push it similarly 1 inch, 2 inch left side also. We can push 1 or 2 inch right side also. So this is how cupboard. These two keys are working. We cannot fix the light, and there is no light is required also. And on the top of that there is a light. We can use that also. Why it's not working? Yeah, this is light. Here, one bulb is off, we will purchase, and you can come here this side. The switch, the switch are quite separate. We can just open it, you can see, and almara can come this side also, little bit. There's no restriction, no problem. So I think it's quite suited. So this is the how we have fixed this wood also separate. Yeah, fit. It's not very hard. Okay. Why is it moving? Okay. यार जल्दी देखा नहीं ये हमने it
will be like this only. सेंटर में थोड़ा ना कुछ सपोर्ट थोड़ा ना सेंटर में साइड से कील लगाए ना.
ओके साइड लगाए. ये पल्ली जो है हमने इसको ये दो कील निकाल सकते हैं. अगर झाड़ू मारना हो, इसमें स्वीप करना हो, तो ये फट्टी जो है जो नीचे वाली है इसको हम दो कील है पीछे करके निकाल सकते हैं. बट जस्ट दैट इट शुड लुक ओके. एंड 2 इंच की थले पट्टी लगी है, 3 इंच की पौने 3 इंच की तोड़, टू मेक इट बैलेंस इक्वली. सो दिस कैन बी टेकन आउट. And this ਅਸੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਖਰੀਦ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ handle. This we have brought this handle, and now see the movement of dryers. You can see is quite comfortable. See this also quite comfortable, and see this also quite comfortable. See this also quite comfortable. So 2 drawers, they are some other quality, they have the handles, and other 4 drawers they don't have the handles. And this is because there the main reason we have to push it from the wood, from this thing is open. So we could have put a handle also here, but that is not a beneficial task. But because you can see the things like this, which is lying, what is lying here. Whereas here you don't know till you open it. You don't know. So we have used two with the handles and these 4 cabin with the without handles. So this is how your cupboard is made, and your budget is made within 20,000, which I will send you the bill separately. So this is the cupboard. Now, is it quite okay? Woodwork, what called polished work is left. Painter will be called once I come back from America. If you wish, I can call now. It is just 1 day work, 1 or 2 days. I have to purchase some stones and he will polish it. No polish is required on the Samaica, left and right, top and back side is the front. And this is cupboard. We have moved just now the big sofa set from here to the Simran's flat room, and here will be quite some small sofa will be better suited. Big cannot come because if I bring here, this will be blocked, and also sofa will block. Long sofa will block this gallery also going outside. So it is small only, which has to be kept here. And now we are fixing this. We will keep it here permanently. Sofa set, two-seater sofa, and your this center table. It will remain like this. This is quite comfortable to come this side. Now we are moving to the. Yes, we have shifted the photograph scenery which was under on the place of where the cupboard is. We have taken out the scenery from there and we have put it right wall above the. You can come this side. We have put the. Is quite okay. Everyone appreciated is the best. This is the best place. So now you see the Simran's flat room where we have brought the. How can you go there? Go and stand there. See the how we have put the sofa here with the under the photo of Simran, and it is quite adjusted. It does not touch the door. It is a 1 inch left side of the door, and here also. The almara is open. It's just complete place I have taken. It's touching. So it has complete wall is this thing. So we'll keep the bigger sofa here till next adjustment. Now next change is there that I have got the made. I have got made one study table. We have made a study table here, and this is installed. You can see the study table. This is about 36 inch, I think. 36?
32.
It is
36.
36 inch wide and length from this side, and it is a 26 inch wide. 26 inch wide and 36 inch length from this side, and 30 inch from top to bottom. It is a good study table. You can use, child can use, we can use for the pressing of clothes also. We can use, and it was very much required. We can shift it any place to the other room also. So this is quite okay. I appreciate this. This is the best thing we have made. So this is the Simran's. Is okay. We will not touch the parents' room. We will not touch the office. It is as it is. Two sofas is lying there, as it is. The next thing, the next change, what we have done, we have taken the Rajesh and Yuvraj photo, which was lying on the here on this. What is speaker? What is system? SETI, line SETI, what you call some UPS system, something you say. UPS system, it was lying here, so we have hanged it here. It is white, good. is nice. So you have a look to your dining room. We have not touched it. This is already there. Yuvraj's photo is already there. Next thing you can see new addition. The uncle will go out and he will show you. You will see the new thing. Go to the little more. See, this is why I added new item to your flat. Nameplate. I hope it is okay. Simran Raji may say why my name is there. So I told this shopkeeper, the manufacturer, that if we have some problem, we'll come back and we have to change the name from Yuvraj Singh Oberoi. We may change it, Rizwan Kaur Chima. So this is how I felt I did it.